and welcome to our show Cooking with Mahagedara. Today we're going to demonstrate how to prepare a Gotu sambol or the centella sambol. Sambol, in other words, would also stand for a Sri Lankan version of a leafy salad. The Gotu that we are going to use in our recipe today would have come straight from the Mahagedara Wellness Retreat's very own organic vegetable farm. Look at this vibrant bed of Gotu leaves. To make this dish, we're going to need a nice bunch of washed Gotu, red onions, lime, green chilies, coconut, Maldive fish flakes, ground black pepper, and salt to taste. To begin with, grab a handful of the Gotu and make sure that they are free of any remnants of water. Start by finely chopping them in the manner shown here. Then transfer them into a vessel. The consumption of Gotu helps you with treating sinus conditions, fatigue, easing blood clots, and also helps to improve mental health and skin conditions such as psoriasis. So here we've already grated about a third of a coconut and kept it aside. We have also finely chopped an onion and kept it off for later use. So into the grated coconut, add about 1 chopped onion and half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Maldive fish flakes. If you're a vegetarian, then you need not add the moldy fish. Next, squeeze half a lime into the coconut mix and then chop about 3 to 4 small green chilies and add those to the mix as well. And then give it a good fold with your hand. Coconut is rich in calories, vitamins, minerals, and is a very versatile and much sought after ingredient for the kitchen. Consuming coconut water is really good to treat digestive disorders as well. Later on, after bringing together the coconut mix, transfer them straight onto the chopped up Gotu leaves and give it all a thorough mix once again. And there you go, a good old Gotu sambol. This is an ideal side dish that goes with rice and curry, or having it raw by itself with anything else is always a healthier option. We hope you give this a try and see for yourself. Thank you for watching and see you soon.